field of artificial intelligence is advancing at a blistering pace. Hardly a day goes by without major announcements from leading tech companies and research institutions related to innovations in AI. This past week saw an explosion of groundbreaking news spanning everything from new generative models, silicon chips designed for AI, and powerful applications across industries. To help make sense of all these rapid developments, I've compiled the essential headlines into one comprehensive AI news roundup. From Google's majestic new search features to Disney's emotionally intelligent robots, this in-depth report will catch you up on the most monumental AI stories of the week. So buckle up, because we have a lot to cover on the pulse-pounding frontier of artificial intelligence. Section 1. Big Tech's Major AI Moves. Our journey begins with the tech titans making massive investments in artificial intelligence that promise to shape the future landscape. Google steals the spotlight with AI search demos and vision. Google completely dominated this week's news cycle with a non-stop barrage of AI announcements that stunned the tech world. The headline grabber was the unveiling of Google's new AI-powered search features that can generate images, videos, and lengthy text passages in response to natural language queries, dubbed generative search. This marks a paradigm shift from simply retrieving existing information to actually creating new content on the fly. For instance, a search for explain quantum computing in a video will queue up an AI-synthesized educational animation personalized to the ask. Google demotes similarly impressive results for a wide spectrum of creative prompts, foreshadowing how this technology could democratize content creation. Meanwhile, Google wowed audiences at its Cloud Next event with live coding demos using new large language models PaLM and Phenaki. While not yet available to the public, these models can intelligently translate code between programming languages and even generate full apps from text descriptions. Google then capped off the week by previewing image and video, its latest technique for generating high-fidelity video from textual prompts. Built using diffusion models, the results were shockingly realistic and intricate. This suite of advancements solidifies Google's dominance in AI development. And with promises of increased accessibility in 2023, they're clearly positioning themselves at the forefront of the AI revolution. Microsoft focuses on productivity, accessibility, and gaming, not to be outdone. Microsoft also unveiled major AI initiatives targeting creativity, productivity, and immersive experiences. The company previewed Designer, an AI system that can generate 2D and 3D images from text prompts and even iteratively refine creations based on feedback. Microsoft suggested it could become a versatile tool for graphic artists and game developers. 1. The productivity front. Microsoft demoed an AI assistant for PowerPoint that can transform text-heavy slides into sleek graphical layouts. And their new Bing chatbot uses OpenAI models to converse naturally and even admit mistakes in a bid to earn user trust. Rounding things out was Microsoft's announcement that AI will power NPCs and quest generation in future titles of the iconic role-playing game franchise The Elder Scrolls. This could pave the way for more dynamic interactive storytelling in gaming, with Microsoft pledging $10 billion towards OpenAI and extensive Azure integrations. They're clearly all in on infusing AI throughout their products and positioning themselves as a leader in ethical AI practices. Meta focuses on VR, commerce, moderation, and ethics. Meta made waves by unveiling data sets and algorithms aimed at improving VR experiences and filter inappropriate AI content. On the VR front, Meta announced high-quality voice and motion capture data sets to enable more expressive avatars and natural interactions in virtual worlds. For commerce, they previewed AI systems that can generate product images and descriptions to populate online stores. Seeking to address harmful AI content, Meta open-sourced a tool called Galactica that can assign severity scores to AI-generated images and text to prioritize moderation. They also introduced a technique called ethic to audit models for bias and toxicity. While Meta faces its share of controversies, These efforts demonstrate a commitment to enabling positive social impacts as AI becomes deeply embedded into Meta's products. Section 2. AI chips and compute. Now let's dive into the hardware powering the AI revolution. From new chips tailored for machine learning to advanced supercomputers, Nvidia dominates AI chips, but competition is growing. Nvidia cemented its leadership in AI semiconductors with the launch of its flagship H100 GPU, which offers a giant leap in performance for training and running AI models. Leveraging new transformer engine technology, the H100 unlocks unprecedented speeds for massively parallel workloads. This enables handling complex neural networks with over 1 trillion parameters that were previously intractable. However, Nvidia faces mounting competition, especially from custom AI chips. Startups like Cerebras Systems and Sambonova Systems promise optimized hardware tailored specifically for AI workloads, and tech giants like Intel, Qualcomm, and Google also unveiled special-purpose AI processors this year as demand for AI compute scales exponentially. Nvidia will need to fend off rivals attempting to dethrone its market dominance, but for now, Nvidia still wears the AI chip crown. Dojo supercomputer to train Tesla's AI in automotive news. Details emerged about Tesla's new Dojo supercomputer, featuring design input from AI pioneer Andrei Karpathy. Dojo will harness 7nm ARM-based processors to train neural networks for autonomous driving. Tesla boasts Dojo will be the fastest AI training system when fully assembled, capable of quintillion operations per second. That extreme compute muscle would allow Tesla to iteratively improve its self-driving models faster than competitors. Dojo exemplifies how customized AI hardware is becoming integral to maintain an edge. Tesla is essentially compressing the work of thousands of GPS into a specialized package for efficient in-house development. Section 3. AI applications across industries. Now let's explore some of the most exciting real-world applications of AI that made the news this week. Disney deploys expressive, charming AI robots. Disney is pioneering the use of friendly AI robots to interact with guests at its theme parks. Engineers blended cutting-edge technology with Disney's signature charm to create animatronic droids that can make eye contact, converse, gesture, and react emotionally. Demonstration videos of the robots show remarkably smooth, natural movements and expressions. Disney Imagineers worked with leading robotics institutions like MIT to push boundaries of robotic, emotional intelligence and approachability, while still in early stages. Disney's AI robots exemplify how the technology can be warmly integrated into public spaces to delight people. It points toward a future where AI makes personalized connections with humanity. AI powers language dubbing, audio cleaning, and synthesis. AI is revolutionizing translation, cleaning up poor audio quality, and even generating new media from text for language dubbing. Startup 11 Labs can clone voices in different languages while retaining a speaker's vocal style. For audio repair, Meta and Adobe previewed algorithms that remove background noise and distortions. Most incredibly, Anthropic unveiled Claude, an AI assistant that can synthesize lengthy videos and audiobooks from simple text prompts with impressive clarity. These tools expand access to content globally while lowering costs compared to human production. Yet ethical concerns remain around imitation of real people without consent. Nonetheless, AI is undeniably disrupting media creation. Algobuilder democratizes AI development. A platform called Algobuilder emerged that allows anyone to train and deploy machine learning models via an intuitive web interface. Provides pre-built templates for common applications like image classification, as well as tools to customize datasets and model architectures. This presents a major step towards making AI approachable for non-experts. Easy access to powerful algorithms could enable small businesses and creators to benefit from AI capabilities once reserved for large tech firms. Of course, considerations around responsible use remain crucial, but under the right guidance, tools like Algobuilder have potential to spread AI literacy and innovation. Wave synthesizes driving data to train AVs. Self-driving startup Wave showcased an AI system called Gaia 1 that can generate synthetic data to train autonomous vehicles. By creating fictional video footage, it reduces reliance on real-world driving data that's costly to collect at scale. Wave claims Gaia 1 data provides accurate representations of complex urban driving scenarios. This could accelerate development of autonomous tech, but it remains unproven whether AI-generated data matches the value of real footage. Nonetheless, STRTUPS like Wave highlight the growing role of synthetic data in fueling AI progress and lowering costs, but ensuring quality and safety remains paramount. An anesthesia system monitors patients in surgeries. Researchers at Johns Hopkins developed an AI system to assist anesthesiologists by continuously monitoring patients during surgery. It assesses medical readings and alerts doctors to potential warning signs of complications. An initial trial demonstrated that AI matching human experts in detecting problems and suggesting interventions by acting as a second set of eyes. The technology could enhance patient safety and care quality. Healthcare stands as one promising area where AI can work in harmony with doctors to improve medical outcomes. More smart assistants without replacing human judgment is the ideal integration. Section 4, AI Milestones, Discoveries and Innovations. Rapid-fire AI research is yielding fascinating new techniques and unprecedented capabilities. Here are some highlights making waves in scientific circles. Salesforce's model can translate speech in real time. Salesforce unveiled an AI model called Translitoctrant that can directly translate speech from one language to another without any intermediate text translation. This could enable real-time conversation between speakers of different languages. The model outperformed prior work in retaining pronunciation, tone, and pacing. Real-time speech translation could break down language barriers worldwide. With further improvements, the technology could fulfill the vision of a true universal translator. Bigshant's releases Bluma Mega Model. A collective of researchers called Bigshant's open-source Bluma, a massive 176 billion parameter AI model trained entirely on open data. While behind proprietary models in sheer scale, Bluma still achieves impressive results given its basis in publicly available resources. This aligns with Bigshant's mission of democratizing access through models trained ethically. Open-source alternatives will be crucial to lower barriers and increase transparency around large language models that have predominantly come from private companies. DeepMind's Gato shows generalist capabilities. Google DeepMind unveiled Gato, an AI agent that can perform a broad variety of tasks like captioning images, chatting, and playing games, all without specialization. This demonstrates growing general intelligence capabilities using a unified model architecture. Gato scored well compared to AI systems built for singular tasks. While Gato is not yet as flexible as humans, its conceptual range hints at a future of more general artificial intelligence that draws on knowledge across domains. Parting thoughts on the pulse-bounding AI landscape, and with that, we wrap up our whirlwind tour of the latest happenings in AI innovation. This week has emphatically shown technology-ticians' voracious appetite to integrate AI throughout their product stacks. From search to photography to gaming, AI is weaving itself into the fabric of software we use daily. We're also witnessing thoughtful applications of AI for social good, as with assistive medical systems and open-source initiatives aim to make these transformative tools broadly accessible. There is still much progress needed on ethics, bias, and alignment, but pioneers in the field offer reasons for optimism if deployed responsibly. The horizons of possibility stretch as far as our imaginations. From AI synthesizing content to generating data to achieving generalist intelligence, these technologies stand to revolutionize industries and enhance lives shaped by wisdom and care. One thing's for certain, the AI train has left the station, accelerating rapidly into the future. There are sure to be bumps along the way, but the momentum is undeniably propelling us toward an AI-infused tomorrow. Our task now is to face the opportunities and challenges head-on. with eyes wide open and values aligned, because if we steer this ship collaboratively, I could elevate humanity to heights we've never dreamed of, so grab your tickets. And welcome aboard. This is sure to be one spectacular ride. Let me know your thoughts on the wild world of AI in the comments. Next stop, the future. Thank you all for staying with us.